You kind of need a toothbrush. I need like a toothbrush. This is too big. We got like a toothbrush or something? Need like a small brush to get in that corner. I'm gonna see if he's got a toothbrush in there somewhere or a little brush or something. Let's see what we got. See what we got here. No. Uh-huh. Aha. What do we got? Oh, there you go. That might do the job. Oh, bristle brush, maybe? Maybe this? Maybe not that. What else has he got in here? Ain't that? Oh wait, is this a toothbrush? Oh dude. Bingo. Bingo. Okay, toothbrush it is. We got it. Found it. Found a toothbrush. Found the toothbrush. Get a little soap in this little corner here. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. There we go. Scrub that bird poop right off. In circles. You gotta scrub in circles. That's the trick. That's the key to cleaning bird poop. Scrub in circles.